Hi guys, once again welcome to my YouTube channel. I remain Timothy. Mm, we are going to look at how to create a table of content in your Microsoft Word. You know, when you have a document and you want to create a table of content for easy follow-up, sometimes it is challenging actually, especially when you don't have any idea about it. But I got you covered. I have some few steps that I would like to show you guys on how to create a table of content in any given document that you have. Here we go. This is our document. Like we have a heading here, key messages of vaccination. So we have chapter 1, and then with the subtopics 1, 1.1, 1.2, we have 1.3, and then we have the second chapter, which is chapter 2, and we have subtopic 1.1, 2.1 and 2.2. So after making sure that you have everything arranged in a very good manner, you come here, you highlight the first chapter. After highlighting, you go and you check for the headings. Here they are. We have here heading 1 is here. That's where you're going to put your chapter 1. And then the sub heading, which is 1.1, you highlight it and then you put it here in heading 2. Yeah, you're done with that. You scroll down. We have our second subtitle here, which is 1.2. You as well highlight it. You come here to heading 2. Yeah, you click there. So like you can see, as I keep on selecting and clicking on its respective, their respective headings, they keep on changing the font size and even the style. So that is how it works. And once yours is doing the same, it means that you're in the right track. So you come to 1.3, you highlight it and you follow the same step that I've shown before. Yeah, so we are done with the chapter 1. We come to chapter 2. Highlight chapter 2. Remember, our chapter 1, after highlighting, we put it where? We click heading 1. So the same thing we are going to do to chapter 2. You click to heading 1. And then its subsequent subtitles will be, after highlighting, should be under what? Heading 2. So we're going to put a 2.1 subtitle to be under heading 2. We are left with one subtitle, which is 2.2. It's here. We also highlight it. After highlighting, you come and put under heading 2. So you're finished with the selection. So after finishing, you come and you click below the title of the document or the heading of the document. So you come and you click here, like I've clicked already there. So after you need to make sure that your pointer is exactly here below the heading. So when it is there in the heading, below the heading, the next step you need to do is you go to this here. You check here. We have we have home, insert, design, page layout, and then the next thing is what? The references. And exactly that is where you are going to click. So once you click in references, it will bring for you a lot of options here. But of course, don't forget that we are looking for table of content, and it is here, right here at your upper left corner. So here, when you click here, you can see you have a lot of options where you can choose from. So like for this video's case, let's select the first option here. So once you click, it will automatically bring for you the table of content. So we are done with our table of content. So you can see how nice it looks, isn't it? Yeah, so it's very easy to make table of content once you follow these steps that I've just shown. So, and there's nothing for you to edit. You know, there are also ways of creating table of content manually, but that's going to take like a long period of time. And at the same time, when you are doing research or you want to um, you want to have some textbooks, like you want to design a textbook and you want things like novel, for example, and you want to have chapters with the subtitles and a lot of things. So the easiest way is to do this, because by doing manually, it's really going to consume a lot of time. Yeah. So you can see it's very simple once you follow the steps that I've shown. Please comment once this video is very important to you, and don't forget to like and share this video with your loved ones. So thanks for giving in your time, and we meet in the next video section. Bye.